My dear, prior, right? We have discussed our chapter logo. Logo chapter we have completed in your monthly test. In logo chapter, we have discussed what is logo, what is the full form of logo, what is the logo screen, as you can see on your computer also. We have discussed about logo screen. We have discussed about turtle. We have discussed about different buttons, like what is these buttons, execute. We have discussed these things. We have discussed forward, back, SEE, TH command, the different directions in which your turtle moves, right? And this was your chapter, how to clear the screen, how to clear the test, and how to exit from the loop. This was your chapter number 6, right? Now we are starting our chapter number 7, the talented turtle. So my dear, any doubt still? If you have any doubt in chapter number 6, you can message me. I will solve it. Now we are starting our chapter number 7, the talented. Very good morning, my dear. The talented turtle, right? We are starting our chapter, the talented turtle. Now, as we are aware of our screen, कोई मुझे बताएगा what is the screen? ये कौन सी screen है? Anyone can tell me? Which screen is this? Logo screen, graphic window. Very nice. Awesome. Great. So this is our graphic window, our logo screen, right? And this was our commander window where we are entering the command. Okay? Now, my dear, your first command is hide and seek. Achha, achha. Before discussing, tell me who play hide and seek. छुपन छुपाई आप में से कौन खेलता? मम्मा के साथ. मम्मा खाना लाए and we have hidden. मम्मा ढूंढो, मैंने खाना नहीं खाया. Who played hide and seek with mother? Your mother. And mother is just running after you. खा लो खा लो खा लो, जल्दी से खा लो. कौन कौन खेलता है? मजा आता है खेलने में जब हम छुप जाते हैं और मम्मा हमें ढूंढते हैं, कितना मजा आता है. ओके, समन यू प्ले. ओके, और कौन खेलता है मम्मा के साथ हाइड एंड सीक? मम्मा बोली दूध पियो, जल्दी पियो. आई हैव ओ वेरी गुड. मजा आता है, मजा आता है बहुत. बहुत मजा आता है जब मम्मा पीछे पीछे और हम आगे आगे. रुद्राक्ष, आदित्य, डू यू प्ले हाइड एंड सीक विथ योर मदर? प्ले फादर पापा के साथ. अच्छा, रिदम सभी खेलते हैं, मजा बहुत आता है. बहुत मजा आता है ना? ग्रेट फन व्हेन मम्मा इज एट आवर बैक रनिंग, टेकिंग दैट प्लेट ऑफ फूड एंड वी आर रनिंग जस्ट. मजा आता है. दूध नहीं पीना तो छुप जाओ सोफे के पीछे. राइट, फाइन. नाउ लेट्स प्ले. नाउ म्यूट योरसेल्फ माय डियर. लेट्स प्ले हाइड एंड सीक विद द टर्टल. अभी अगर टर्टल हमारे साथ छुपन छुपाई खेलेगा तो कैसा लगेगा? हाइड एंड सीक. लेट्स प्ले विद टर्टल. हैव अ लुक. इट इज टर्टल. टर्टल इज ऑन योर स्क्रीन. अभी देखो जादू, हमारा जादू देखो क्या होगा. हैव अ लुक. HIDETURTL. वो क्या होता है? क्या बोलते हैं उसको? जादू करने के लिए कौन सा मंत्र होता है? किसको आता है? क्या होता है? जूम जूम. क्या मंत्र होता है? किसी को आता है? If we want to play the trick, what is the trick? Zoom. Okay. Rudraksh, no. Rudraksh, tell me what to do. Zoom. Unmute yourself. Rudraksh, unmute yourself. Huh? Zoom. हाँ, शाकालाका बूम बूम. चलो करो, सभी करते हैं. चलो करते हैं फिर. शाकालाका बूम बूम. अभी हमारा टर्टल हाइड हो रहा है. ए, कहाँ गया? ओ, कहाँ गया? अगेन लेट्स डू. गायब. Now again, everybody ready for shakalaka boom boom. Okay, chalo chalo. Let's see, let's see. Okay, everyone. Boom, shakalaka, boom boom. Everyone ready to play the trick? Ready? And let's go. Have a look. It comes back. Yes, my dear. Yes, Labika. हमने जादू किया अभी. We have just played the trick. Do you want to play it? Let's do. Let's do. Again, again. Everyone ready? Labika, Rudraksh, Rudraksh, let's again do. What is that? Shakalaka boom boom. Chalo, let's start. Everyone ready? Let's start. Shakalaka. Yes, speak loudly. और अभी हमारा टर्टल गायब. Again it is coming back. Again it is coming back. Let's see. And again Jadu. Start it. Here it comes. Yes, yes. So my dear, these are the two commands. Now let's come out your shakalaka boom boom. दो commands थी, hide turtle, who, and show turtle. Right? Two commands were there, hide, seek. Hide छुप गया, show दिख गया. जादू किया ना हमने अभी. अभी किया था हमने जादू. Everyone done it? Yes? Sure? Again let's. मजा आया? हम सभी जादूगर है ना. अभी मजा आया था हमें बहुत. Let's play again. And अभी देखो. Copy and start. Hide turtle छुप जाता है. Right? It is not appearing on the screen. Show turtle, it is showing. Like hide. तो हम जादू खेल रहे थे. खेलना है? Do you want to play the trick? Ready? And shakalaka boom boom. हमारा टर्टल गायब. We again it is coming back. Yes. Show turtle. ये तो हम यही किया, कुछ नहीं किया. हम जादू किया अभी तक. हम हाइड टर्टल माय डियर, ये जादू था हमारा. तो हम यू ज्वाइन लेट, यू मिस आवर ट्रिक. अब भी हमने जादू किया था. रुद्राक्ष, समन्यु, ग्रीशिव, पनव, we all played. Anuj, Riddham, Sarthak, Labika, little bit late, but she has also done the trick. रुद्राक्ष किया ना जादू अभी हमने. तो हम समझ आया, मजा आया. Everyone has. Yes. कैसे किया? चलो फिर. तो हम let's go for it. तो हम, are you there? बोलो फिर शाकालाका बूम बूम. स्पीक आउट. हाथ चलाना. जादू के साथ कैसे होता है? शाकालाका बूम बूम. ये ले. Fire. Now again it will come. तो हम again. तो जादू है ना, तो फिर ऐसे ही होता है जादू. जादूगर अपनी प्लान थोड़े, ट्रिक थोड़े बताता है. शाकालाका बूम बूम. And this is my trick. This is my trick. Hide turtle, show turtle. देखा हम कितने अच्छे जादूगर हैं. Great magicians of grade third, along with Kamal ma'am. Yes, right. So you have a look, my dear, at your book. Hide turtle. Hide turtle. H-T. Hide turtle. Disappear the turtle from the screen. My dear, 7th chapter. Okay, my dear. जादू मजा आया लाबिका? Enjoyed the magic? Show turtle, S-T, S-T, show turtle. It will let the turtle visible again. Okay, everyone. Again, I am repeating. Hide turtle, HT, hide turtle, disappear the turtle from the screen. Show turtle, ST. Yes, my dear. Very good. Very nice. Awesome. Great. Let's revise. Grishu. Grish and हाँ enter करने पे command चलती है my dear. When we will press the enter command, as we will press, have a look, and just wait for a while. Let me flip my camera. Again, I'm showing you what I have done. Yes, my dear. Let's see. H T. Yes, you can. S T. Again, I'm seeing. Have a look at my dear at the cursor. Have a look. H I D E T U R T L E, and I am pressing enter key. Enter key. As I will press the enter key, the command moves. Command ऊपर चली गई और turtle hide हो गया. As again I am typing S H O W T U R T L E, show turtle, enter key, turtle will be there. Short form H T, hide turtle, enter key, S T. Okay, here everyone, here everyone, understood? Yes, yes, very good. Then let's, okay, very good, very nice, awesome. So we are little magicians, right? So my little champs, now have a look at your book. Have a look at your book, learn it. What is hide turtle, disappear turtle from the screen. Show turtle, turtle visible again on the screen. Now, let's revise this one by one. जिसका मैं नाम लूंगी वही बोलेगा. ओके, पनव, पनव, पनव राणा, unmute yourself, my dear. Hide turtle, define hide turtle. हाँ, अच्छा. अभी पनव इसको इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करें. लेट्स ट्रांसलेट इन द इंग्लिश. Hide turtle, hide the turtle. Show turtle, show the turtle. Repeat it, my dear. Panav, repeat it in English. Very good. Mute yourself. Samanyu, repeat the definition, Samanyu. Hide the turtle. Very good. Anuj, unmute yourself. Anuj, speak out. Speak out. Samanyu, mute yourself. Yes, Anuj, repeat it.
What to show? Turtle. Okay. Uh, Next is, uh, yes, wait for your turn. Next is Mansirat Senni. Mansirat, better speak out high turtle and show turtle. Huh? Very good. Rudraksh, Rudraksh, unmute yourself. Yes, my dear. High turtle. Huh? Huh? Excellent. Next is, who is left? Wait. Grishu. Grishu, my dear. Grishu, are you there? Yes, my dear. Unmute. What is high turtle and Sarthak? Wait, I am coming. Grishu. High turtle. Hmm? Soham, wait. Yes, Grishu. What is high turtle? Huh? To to hide the turtle and show turtle to show the turtle. Okay, Soham. Soham, unmute yourself. Huh? Okay, Priyank. Priyank. Hmm. 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 Sarthak. Repeat it. Sarthak. Hmm. 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 Labika, I am coming to you. Rhythm. Rhythm, unmute yourself and speak out. Hide the turtle on the screen or disappear. Show the turtle. Okay, very good. Now who is left? Labika. Yes, Labika. Labika. Now let's revise it. Hide the circle, turtle or disappear the turtle. Disappear. 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 And show the turtle or appear the turtle. Clear everyone? Right? So have a look. The command is the command is SETSCREEN, set screen color, right? Now have a look. Different numbers are given. Along with the set screen color, whatever number I will put, that color will come. Let's do set screen color. Set screen color, right? I am putting 0. Have a look. Screen color 0. Right? Again have a look. Set screen color space. क्या लिखूं मैं? What should I write? 5. Okay, look. 5. 5 is for magenta. Set screen color 2. Set, yes my dear, 8, only 8. 8 colors logo take. सिर्फ 8 कलर्स ही लोगो लेता है अकॉर्डिंग नंबर्स. सेट स्क्रीन color 8. Again have a look. Along with the set screen color, अगर हम set screen color लिखते हैं तो along with set screen color we have to type the number. If I am typing 0, black is coming. Set screen color लिखना है. Set screen color के साथ whatever number I will type, accordingly the color will come. If I typed 0, black was there. I typed 5, magenta was there. If I typed 2, green was there. If I typed 8, brown was there. तो ये देखो, ये नंबर्स आपको दिए हुए हैं. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन टेबल, वट एवर आई टाइप विथ स्क्रीन कलर और SETSC, अगर मैं यहाँ पे टाइप करती हूँ SETSC and I am typing here for 4, तो red. So even you can write short command or full command. Yes, my dear. Have a look, beta. Set screen color 7. ये देखो, SETSC 7. Okay. So this was your page number 70. Panav, Sarthak, Labhika, Priyank, Mansirat, Greshu, Samanyu, Anuj, Ridham, Soham, Lavdeep, Rudraksh. Have a look at page number 70. I have discussed with you hide turtle. Hide turtle means it will hide the turtle or disappear the turtle. Show turtle. Show turtle means it will let the turtle visible again or show the turtle again. Set screen color, it is used to change the background color of the graphic screen. It is used to change the background color of the graphic screen. And along with the set screen color, you have to type number. According to the number, the colors will come. Now, yes, my dear, now take 2 minutes. Go through this chapter. Any doubt, ask me. Yes, my dear. कौन पूछ रहे हैं? Come again, my dear. It is not clear. Who is asking? Sarthak. Yes, Sarthak. Again repeated, my dear. हाँ my dear, जब तक हम again we will not change the color. Have a look. SETSC. I have written 0. Enter. तो until and unless, sorry, I have not flipped my camera. Wait. Yes. So until and unless I will not again change it, it will remain black. Have a look. FD forward 20. ये देखो. Screen will be same until and unless I will not change the color. अब ये, हाँ तो ये बेटा ब्लैक है ना स्क्रीन, तो इस पे शो कैसे होगा? व्हाइट से. व्हाइट के ऊपर ब्लैक, वो कलर अपने आप चेंज कर देता है. कलर अपने आप चेंज हो जाता है सार्थक. ठीक है. यस माय डियर. यस माय डियर, आई हैव रिटन शॉर्ट फॉर्म. हैव अ लुक. आई हैव रिटन इट. ये देखो, SETSC सेट स्क्रीन कलर. SETSC ये शॉर्ट फॉर्म है, हम शॉर्ट फॉर्म भी कर सकते हैं. अभी जैसे हाइड टर्टल था तो आई कैन यूज HT, तो शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑल्सो HT. राइट माय डियर. ST. Understood? Any doubt in this page? Okay, very good. Now, okay. थैंक यू माय डियर, आपने बहुत अच्छे से समझा, इसीलिए मैंने अच्छे से समझाया. ओके. ओके. नाउ माय डियर, योर पेज नंबर 71. अभी आई वांट टू चेंज द कलर ऑफ माय पेन. For example, have a look. It is set pen color, right? SET SETPC1. SETPC1. Have a look what will happen. Now FD50. ये देखो कौन सा कलर है. The color is changed. You can change the color of your pencil. SETPC to